let me show you how you can connect GoHighLevel to N8N. So you have really two different options. So the first option is you type in here high level, and this is a native integration in N8N. And as you can see, we can go to, for example, get a contact, and here we need to get credentials, okay? So here, what we can do is we can copy this OAuth redirect URL, and from here we have we need a client ID, client secret, scope, and all of these things. So we want to go to marketplace.gohighlevel.com, and you want to go /app dashboard. Now this is where you're going to go to. Keep in mind the password that you have for this is not the same for GoHighLevel, just so you know. You hit create app here, you enter the app name, so I'll enter test for this one. I'll make it public. Who is the target user of this app? You can use agency or sub account, really doesn't matter, but if you're going to use this integration within the sub account, make sure you have this enabled. Who can install the app? Everyone. Listing type white label, we hit create app, and this will be done. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to advanced settings, auth, and right here you can select the scopes. You can enter your redirect URL that you copied previously from N8N, and you can add this right here. And obviously you can select scopes. Now if for example here a scope is to let me just exit out here, close, to get a contact, then you need to go here and you need to type in contact. And as you can see, you have contacts right, contacts read only. So make sure you have these right in here, okay? Now, obviously from there, you hit save, and that is going to be saved. Now, this is just for this particular part. Now, let's get to the part where we actually, as you can see here, where we actually go to client ID and client secret. Okay, now to get the client keys and client ID, client secret, you need to go to manage here, secrets, and then here you have client keys. Just click add, and then you will need to just go and type in the name. And this is where you have client ID. So client ID goes here, and then client secret, we copy this, that goes right here. Now for the scopes, what you need to do is you can open docs here, and in here you will have all the scopes. So these are all the scopes, so we need to copy these scopes and we need to just paste them right here. Now make sure to paste them like this, or actually, as you can see, separate scopes by space. So it should be, this should be good. And then you can hit here connect my account. So when you click here connect my account, this will go right into lead connector. So you need to just log in here, and from there you just need to log in into your GoHighLevel account. Okay, so that's essentially how you integrate this all together, and this is how you integrate the native GoHighLevel app within N8N. Now there is also another way to integrate N8N, and that is to have an HTTP request here. Now for this we will need to take a little bit a different approach. So for this, as I said, we need a different approach. We go to developers.gohighlevel.com, and here we want to go to documentation, and this is where you can see the authentication guide and a lot of other guides as well. We can search here for get contact. Okay, so let's say we want to get contact. So here, as you can see, you have all of these endpoints. So we can get contact, we can update contact, we can delete contact. Let's say we want to get contact, okay? So what you have here is a curl command. Now curl command can be copied, and what's really cool about curl command is that we can go right in our HTTP request, we can import this curl command right here. So when we paste this curl command, as you can see, we will have the endpoint URL, we will have accept JSON application, and then here, as you can see, we have authorization, and this is where it says token. This is where API key goes. So if we click import, this is how it's going to look like, and this is where we need to enter our API key. Now that's the next step that we need to do. So right now we've actually added the get contact kind of trigger in this case, and we still need a bearer token right here. As you can see, you can also send requests from here, but this is something that we will do for another video. So let's find this token right here. Now to get this private token, or in this case API token, we want to go to agency dashboard, and we want to go to settings, and from here we want to go to it should say private integrations here, and we can create a new integration. Now for this we can add test, We can also add a description if we want, but we hit next. Here we need to add the scopes. You can select all the scopes. For this, I always select all, and then if I need some, I will use some, okay? So I hit create, I hit confirm, and this is where I get my security key, okay? Now from here, make sure you're not sharing this key with anyone. I shared it here with you, but make sure you're not sharing with anyone. And as you can see, I can go here and I can paste this right here. And then when I execute this, okay, currently it says please check your credentials. So if you're getting this, you probably didn't set up something correctly. But in this case, I think it's just because I haven't give the access to this particular app, okay? So yeah, mine is not working actually because I didn't add the contact ID right here. But that's essentially it, right? That's how you can integrate, go high level with N8N in two different ways. And it's honestly a really great way to integrate this within N8N if you want something like additional. Now, if you want to see how to integrate different APIs in GoHighLevel, you can also check out that video and also check out our 30-day free trial down below in the description for GoHighLevel if you want to see, or test out this platform for yourself. So we'll see you in the next one.